A few minutes ago, we published our trade of the day for October 10, 2014. That was a short Euro US dollar trade. We can see in that video that we identified some very similar trades of the day. At the present time, it is an intraday story about the US dollar strength. We mentioned in the previous trade of the day video that the US dollar is strong on an intraday basis, and we looked at the same trade, the British pound against the US dollar. We also looked at that trade, the US dollar against the Swiss franc, and we looked at that trade, the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. We want to go ahead and spotlight the British pound against the US dollar. We can see again this same theme. We took the intra-month range, which is the low from October 3 all the way up to the high October 9th, and we draw our standard retracement lines. We look at yesterday's daily range. We can see this 161.32 area right here was a key entry area. When we look at the retracement levels from the intra-month range, that 50% comes in at 160.88 and 61.8% comes in at 160.56. If you take a look at the trade of the day, the short Euro US dollar trade from just a few moments ago in our YouTube channel, you'll notice that the rate was above this 160.56 area, and we said that we would be testing that area shortly, which we did. I want to go ahead though and illustrate exactly how the market and why the market saw these levels as important. We mentioned this 160.88 area was key, along with the 160.56 area. We want to go ahead and change the periodicity from a 60-minute chart down to a 5-minute chart there. Once we do so, we can see once the markets hit these areas, we hit some key stops. Once we hit the 160.88 area, we retraced a little bit, and then we hit some major stops down to the 156 area. Once we hit that area, we took out about another 10 to 12 pips of stops. So this is proof positive that these levels were key. We saw the stops below the 160.88 area and the 160.56 area. The markets were able to take these areas, test them, and trigger the stops below them. So this is a very viable trading strategy and proof that this trading strategy worked across multiple currency pairs. Thank you for tuning into this video.